are very different from each other. Then this is 77, and it's like again like a nude shade. So all of this 12 shades are done. Like, let's move on to the other one. So I have, okay, so I am keeping all of those shades because I haven't used all of those much, and mostly are in like nude, so I will try to use them more often. Then this one is by NY Bay, and the shade is 33. I don't know the shade name, but this is the bullet lipstick I have, and this is the shade. I have swatched it on my hands and my lips as well. So this is like a like a pink, but it kind of looks like bright pink on my lips. So I'm just going to keep it anyways. And then the next lipstick I have here is by Masaba by Nykaa, and the shade name is Nimbu Pani, and this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging because this is like a cardboard packaging, and then you have the lipstick here. So this is like a nude lipstick, and it's very beautiful. Okay, this shade is like very pretty. This looks like nude, but when I put it on my lips, it kind of gives me like a corally shade, like a corally nude shade. And then I have the lipstick by Faces Canada, and this is how it looks like. And this is also like a nude shade, and the shade name is Buff Nude 05. And look how pretty this lipstick is. This is like a proper nude, and it looks very pretty on me. So I like to put this one and the Nimbu Pani one as like a combo lip kit kind of thing. So I put both of this, and it gives like a pretty shade. But both of these lipsticks on their own looks pretty on me, so that's not a problem. And then the lipsticks I have here are by Huda Beauty, and again these are dupes, and these are bullet lipsticks. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 12 shades in here. So I think let me swatch this because they look different from their outer packaging, and the shade looks like gives like a slightest bit of difference. Okay, so let me just sit here. Let me just get my camera a little bit lower. I have put on my fan, and please ignore the background noise. Oh my god, there is so much of background noise, but still I'm trying to shoot, because if I like take breaks when the noise is happening, I can't shoot this till I think 2 to 3 o'clock, and it's already 1:12 right now. But just a little bit of the part is left, because these are the last 12 lipsticks which I have. So I'm just going to quickly see what lipsticks I am going to keep and what lipsticks I am going to discard. So the first lipstick I have, so this lipstick doesn't have any shade name. These lipsticks have shade number. So the worst one is 309. Oh my god, and this is like a pretty let me swatch it. Okay, and oh, this is like broken, and this is like a nice pink shade. I have swatched it on my hand, if you can see. Then the Next lipstick I have here is, the shade is 299, and this is like a nude, pinky nude shade. Sorry. Okay. This is like a pinky nude shade, and it's a beautiful shade. I will try to use the bullet lipsticks from now more often, because they are like very easy to remove, so I will not have to struggle with my removing my lipstick. So the next lipstick is, the shade number is 283, and this is like a pinky shade, but not a proper pink, and not like a dark pink, and not too light also. This is like you all can say skin, not skin, but light orange and pink kind of a shade. I don't know how to describe the shades, but I have like swatched it here. If you all can see, I don't know if you can see or not. And this is the shade. The other one is 27, and let me see how this. Okay, so this is like pinky red shade. I know this looks like a nude one. As I have said, this lipstick doesn't look what it looks like, their outer cover. So let me show you the swatch of this lipstick. So this is the swatch. Yeah, this is the swatch, and look how pretty the shade is. So I think so far I have kept all of this 4 lipsticks. Then I have the shade 48, and this looks like a dark red shade, but let me swatch. So this is like a mixture of pink and pink and red. So it looks like a dark red, and this is the swatch. So pretty, right? Then I have okay. Then I have this, and this looks like a dark red again. Okay, the shade number is 05. Yeah, it is like not dark, but it is red. It's not dark red, but it is like a normal red here. Then I have this. So this looks like it is like a corally shade, but let's see. The shade number is 63. The smell of this lipstick is so nice. If you smell it once, you will keep on smelling it. They just smell like vanilla and chocolate. Okay, so this is like a pink, bright pink shade. But it looks like a corally shade, but it isn't. Okay, so the next lipstick is this one. So this looks like a nude lipstick, and the shade number is 306. Let me see. Okay, so this is like a bit darker compared to the previous one. This is the so this is the swatch. This is a bit darker compared to the previous one. Okay, then the next one is, okay, so look at this one. So this looks like a nude lipstick, and the shade number is 17, but this isn't a nude lipstick. This is like a pinky nude. Yeah, so this is the lipstick swatch. So this is like a pinky nude. I am going to keep this also. I think I am going to keep all of these 12 because the shades are bomb. Oh my god. So this is the next lipstick. This is again like a red lipstick and the shade number is 40. And this is Broken, you guys, again, like the previous one, like the first one, I guess. And yeah, this is like a red and this is like a pretty red. I'm going to keep this also. Then the next lipstick, it looks like this. So this looks like again my number 7's what's the shade? Yeah, this again looks like my number 7's Mulberry Red. And let me, okay, so this is like a, you know, bright pink, but here it looks like a subtle kind of a pink. It doesn't look that bright. And the last lipstick is, the shade number is 14 and this looks like a brown nude. Let me swatch it. Yeah, it's not like a brownie nude, it's like a proper nude, as you can see. And this is like a nice shade. So these are all of my lipsticks, like the Huda Beauty dupes one. So I'm just going to keep these because I really love the, you know, shades. So again, this is the lipsticks which I have decluttered from the box. I haven't even reviewed one lipsticks from this box. They are like pretty nice shade. And let me show you guys the ones. So these are the ones which are going to my mom's vanity, and these are the one which I have discarded. So this is like a bright pink and this is like a pinky lip liner. And again, this is going to my mom's vanity. So this is the inside red one. And this lipstick, so these are the green tea lipsticks. I have 10 lipsticks in here, and these are the Lime Crime dupe lipsticks. So there are 12 lipsticks in here, like 4 shades in 4 lipsticks in one shade, 4 lipsticks in one shade. So look, these are 4 lipsticks in one shade, then again 4 lipsticks in one shade and 4 lipsticks in one shade. So I will do like a giveaway of these lipsticks, all of the how much, 22 lipsticks. If you all want, comment me down in the comment section below. I will definitely do a giveaway for this lipsticks. And yeah, that's all for my video today, you guys. I hope you like this decluttering section video of my lipsticks, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store, and please do comment me down in the comment section below if you all want a giveaway of these lipsticks or not. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.